How to create your first AI video in under 1 minute in Higgsfield. What you can do is you need to have an image which you want to convert it into a video. And if you have that, just click on video. Once you do that, from here, you can choose whichever AI generation model you want. I'm going to go for Kling 3.0 because that's the best option for me. I'm going to click on start frame and upload a video which I want to edit. So I will just place the video. Now, if you have an end frame where you want the video to end, you can upload it. If you don't have an end frame, don't worry. With this video as well, you can create a video. But if you have an end frame, you will have a start and end point, which will make it easy for the AI to know what to do. Now over here, just describe what you want. I want the person on the photo to stand up and start dancing and the other three. If I want a simple video like this, I write it. I can choose the resolution over here. I will go for 1080p and I can choose how long I want the video to be. And then if I click on generate, the video will be generated and I will get an output of something like this. These are some of my past generation, you can see. All right, this is what I'm gonna get. And it depends on whatever prompt I give it over here. So keep that in mind. That's how you guys can create a video on Higgsfield AI in under 1 minute. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.